Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling stiff, heavy, or just mentally foggy? You're not lazy. Your body's just stuck in yesterday's tension. We're about to reset that. One breath, one movement at a time. Let's hit the mat. If you've been hunched over a desk or curled up on one side all night, this move is like a full body sigh of relief. Starts in a kneeling position. Step your right foot out to the side. Reach your right arm up and over. Feel that side body elongate. Keep your hips stacked, chest open. Don't collapse into the stretch. Lift through the ribs. You'll feel a deep lengthening from your outer hip to your fingertips. If you're not feeling it yet, check if you're folding forward instead of reaching sideways. Switch sides after 30 seconds. I promise unlocking your side body first gives your breath somewhere to go. Let's hold 5 more seconds. That just opened up your ribs. Now let's build on that length. Think of this one as a side body tune-up. It gently awakens the spine, shoulders, and hips. Sit cross-legged or with legs out in front. One hand down, the other overhead. Bend sideways like you're drawing a rainbow with your ribs. Keep both sit bones grounded. Reach further with your top arm, but keep the neck relaxed. Did you know tight obliques can literally restrict your breathing? Hold for 5 more. And switch sides halfway. Next, we're going from seated to standing to wake up the whole chain. Here's where we lock in posture and symmetry, because tension loves to hide in your sides. Stand tall, feet shoulder width. Reach one arm overhead and lean to the side without twisting. Imagine lifting up before you bend over. Feel that? That's your QL and intercostals releasing. Beginners, keep the bend shallow. Advanced stretches, add a wrist pull for a deeper stretch. Did you know that this move improves spinal hydration first thing in the morning? That's real longevity work. You just unlocked both sides. Now let's add strength to that mobility. This is your challenge round. Time to groove into those hips and inner thighs. Step out wide, shift your weight side to side like a slow moving pendulum. Keep your chest up and heels planted. Beginners, use a chair for balance. Advanced stretches, sink deeper and hold each side for a beat. Push yourself to go 10% deeper on each shift. This is the rhythm reset your hips have been craving. Hold 5 more seconds. Now get ready to move in a full circle. Let's finish with control, coordination, and a little play. Stand tall, feet on the hips. Slowly circle your hips like you're drawing a full hula hoop in the air. Switch directions halfway. Keep the core engaged and breathe as you move. This is your reset loop from stress to flow. Why this matters? Coordination activates your brain and body at the same time. It's like coffee for your nervous system. Can you go 5 seconds slower and smoother? That's it. Breath restored, rhythm reset. This one looks simple, but it'll challenge your balance and coordination fast. Start standing tall. Step your right foot diagonally behind your left, then reach your left hand towards your right foot. Come back to center, switch sides. Your glutes, hamstrings, and side body are all waking up at once here. I promise this move boosts single leg control, challenges your core, and trains coordination that carries into your full day. Beginners keep it slow and controlled. Advanced stretches speed it up without losing balance. Did you know that most people train strength before stability? But the real power is built on control. This move trains both. Hold your next touch 5 seconds. Feel that burn? That's your base stabilizing. Now let's open it up laterally. Step your right leg out wide, bend the knee and sit into the hip. Keep your left leg straight, push back to center, then go left. We sit all day in one direction, forward. This is your chance to move side to side and reclaim motion your body's been craving. The stretch strengthens the glutes, stretches the inner thighs, and unlocks stuck hips, especially after long hours at a desk. Beginners keep the stance shorter and your hands at your hips. Advanced stretches sink deeper and reach toward your foot. Here's a twist. Side lunges also improve ankle mobility. That means fewer wobbles and stronger steps all day. 5 more seconds. Try sinking 1 inch deeper on this next lunge. That has cracked open your inner hips. Let's ground it even deeper. Drop into a deep squat with your elbows pressing your knees apart. Place your hands together at your heart or on the floor. Chest up, breathe. This one's primal. Your hips are designed to sit like this. You just forgot how. I promise the frog squat opens your hips, lengthens the spine, and reteaches your body how to sit and stand with grace and strength. Beginners, use a block or pillow under your heels. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side or lift your chest higher. Can you stay down here for 5 seconds? Eyes up, spine long. That's mobility and strength meeting each other. Let's take this activation upright and dynamic. Stand tall, lift your right knee towards your chest, then switch. Add arm swings for rhythm. This is your game now. Can you keep marching, stay tall, and control your breath? I promise this simple movement fires up your core, warms your hip flexors, and resets your balance without needing a single piece of equipment. Beginners march slow and steady. Advanced stretches drive the knees higher and add a bounce in your step. With every lift, imagine leaving behind yesterday's tension. 5 more seconds. Challenge yourself to speed up just a bit. One more reset before we land in stillness. Lie on your back, hug your right knee into your chest, hold and breathe. After 30 seconds, switch sides. This is where the reset settles in. Your nervous system shifts, your spine decompresses, your breath returns. I promise the simple stretch soothes the lower back, releases your hip flexors, and lets your nervous system down-regulate from stress. Beginners, keep your opposite leg bent. Advanced stretches, extend the bottom leg for a deeper stretch. Now switch. Are you breathing into this or holding it? If you're still tense, you're missing the power of release. Let go. Hold for 5 more seconds.